Welcome back, everybody. I'm down here in Florida hanging out with our oldest daughter, Hannah, rolling through Plant City, and I found a place to griddle today.
Yeah, totally came in and hijacked my set. Good to see you, buddy.
We are here. I'm good to see you,
Welcome to Florida.
We are here on the set of Cook, Eat, and Repeat with the Chef Nathan Lippy. Come on, eat your heart out. You ready? Are we ready? We're going to cook?
Are we dancing
So
too?
as we're driving down here to Florida, I'm talking to Hannah about what we should cook, and she said, well, you got to do something with shrimp or scallops.
We're in Florida.
Show up, and Nate says, we do have to cook some scallops. So I think we're going to do just a real simple recipe. We're going to get some zucchini noodles here, maybe a seared scallop with zucchini noodles.
Love it. This is a real quick fix, and the rain looks like it's creeping in on us, so we're going to cook as fast as we can. I think we need about 5 minutes, and we're good to eat.
Let's do it.
Can I do the let's give it a try later?
You can.
Okay, good.
Can I? Who's doing the let's plate it up? Ethan. Let's plate it up.
Is that a new one?
Yeah, no, I always do it. I say, let's plate it up.
Oh, okay.
And that's going to be Ethan. And you are going to be...
He that shall remain nameless.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah. We have some surprises for you later. We'll bring them out one at a time if they behave. Let's give it a try. All right, as you said, this is a super quick cook. So we've got some fresh basil here. We're just going to pull the leaves off, and we're going to mince this up.
Basil.
And
do you ever grow your own herbs?
Yes and no.
You try to grow, but they don't turn out?
I grow them, but then after a while, I just don't have the time to maintain it, and so it's easier to go to the store when you can pick up a plant and it's ready to go. Here.
My basil did really, really well for me this year, and I just pulled it all up to plant new. If you let them get too long and too fibrous, it loses some of that sweetness.
Ooh, I like
my oregano always does good. Does that do good in Colorado?
Yeah, it does well. It does well for sure.
In Florida, oregano takes off. I love it.
I noticed you got some little heirloom tomatoes over there.
Oh yeah, we went to Publix this morning. I love cherry tomatoes, and these little guys just are all different colors. This will work with just standard red, but I think having those different colors is really, really pretty. And I am all about beautiful food. Right, Todd?
You are, and hey, and I am too.
Good.
I am. And that's the cool thing. As I'm thinking here, as we're starting to do this, I love it how we kind of take from each other, right? So, I got my own way of doing things. And then I'll watch you prep or cook something, which is 100% different than I've ever done. It's something I've never learned. Maybe you learned it in culinary school, and it blows my mind. And I go home and I'm like, why have I always been doing it this way? That was completely wrong.
I think it's really indicative of the entire griddle nation out there. I mean, we had the Greg Griddle off not too long ago. And the entries were unbelievable. You guys are so talented, and everyone sees things differently.
For sure.
Let's talk about scallops before we go too far. Now these scallops are big and beautiful. I love them. Now there are two schools of thought. Most people want to take this little muscle off because they feel that it's chewy, and it is. However, I'm that weird guy that likes the chewy. I like that part.
When you said chewy, I felt like if this was CJ's show, you would have inserted a little Chewbacca.
If it was CJ's show, that's true. Are you a fan of removing this little guy?
I leave it on there. I'll leave it on there.
All right, I'm going to remove a couple just for the people in the comment section that are going to let me know anyway.
Exactly.
Just so you know, when you hold your scallop right here on the edge, I believe this is the abductor muscle, that little connector muscle. You can just get rid of that. You don't have to. I like it. It has a little bit more texture. It gets a little more chewy, and I'm a fan of that. Now, one key thing when you're doing scallops is you definitely want a dry surface. Todd, grab some olive oil over there.
True, yeah. You want
so dry these guys off. The trick to magical scallops is that sear.
And I will say I learned the hard way on this. One time I was doing them and I didn't dry them. And again, you don't get as much of a sear. So
the surface,
something I learned from Nate.
Yeah, the surface steams before it can start searing, and we want that sear. That's stunning. Here, how about we're using the Parmesan Ranch, right?
Parmesan Ranch.
Yeah, season those bad boys up.
All right. Parmesan Ranch today. Delicious.
It's kind of like a play on an Italian pasta dish, but instead of pasta, we've got those zucchini noodles.
I think so. Yeah, this is going to be good because we're going to shave some Parmesan on there at the end.
Let's do the other side too. Do you want to do butter and oil? Because I added some oil to the griddle already. You want to add a touch of butter?
Yes, butter and oil. That's because what do the chefs say that helps the
smoke
oil
point.
not to burn, right?
Well, it's already melty. Did you see that move? You're getting messy. So Ethan, if you want to come over here to the griddle, I've got some olive oil down. Now, if you add just butter to a smoking hot griddle, it will burn. But if you add the olive oil to the butter, it increases the smoke point, giving us a much hotter temperature on our griddle without burning that butter. Easy peasy. Here, I'll let you do the honors there, buddy.
All right. Wow.
Those are pretty big.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, that's it.
High heat's the secret, folks. So whether you're doing shrimp, whether you're doing steaks, whether you're doing scallops, I mean, super high heat because you need that sear. Otherwise, you just got a little ball of rubber on there, and boy, oh my.
Oof,
goodness.
Beautiful.
All right, I guess we're gonna dump our.
Do the noodles? Yeah, one more butter.
Yes, please.
All right.
I need some butter.
So I have the other side set to a medium heat. We don't need the noodles to go quite as hot. Is that enough butter? Or you want some more?
Let's do it. Oh yeah.
Hey, it's escaping.
Why not?
Extra?
Yeah,
all right.
Let's get crazy.
Here we go. More butter.
Butter, and I got some oil down there as well, and down with the spiral sliced zucchini noodles.
Those are
those
cool.
up at the grocery store this morning, and these are so nice. I don't know. I'm not a nutritionist, but I'd like to think that this is healthy eating.
Yeah, definitely. You feel the wind coming?
I feel the wind. Yeah, hit them up with some Parm Ranch. Oh yeah.
Now these don't take long to cook at all, so I say we go ahead and go with the tomatoes.
Yes.
Sound good?
Yeah, let's throw them in there. I'll grab a spatula.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, I love the color of the tomatoes. Oh, yeah.
Boom. Where's that garlic? We need that garlic.
Ooh, yes. See, of course. Now, if I was filming alone, I would have forgotten the garlic, but...
We never forget anything on our set.
Thanks to my friend Nate, we are not going garlic.
Garlicless?
Oh, I almost went into the garlic foam. You ready?
Don't do it, don't do it.
I'm not. Here we go. So garlic down in the oil, and we'll mix it. How much garlic? A lot of garlic.
Oh, dang.
Can I go a little more?
Oh,
okay?
Geez, yeah. You do you, man.
Let's do a couple of ribbons.
Hey, hand me those tongs. I'm going to flip these scallops.
Oh, well, I can't wait to see the scallops.
So let's take a peek on the first one real quick.
Scallops. Oh.
That, my friends, is what we're looking for. That quick, fast and furious sear. So we get that beautiful caramelization and texture. Gorge. Absolutely stunning.
It is. I've never said gorge before, but that's making me want to say gorge.
I'm gonna grab these herbs and toss those in, and we're basically done, right?
It's looking good.
Oh man.
Oh yeah.
Woof.
Fresh
Todd.
oregano.
The smell is unbelievable.
If Blackstone Betty was watching, hi Blackstone Betty, you would like the fact that we're using lots of fresh basil and oregano.
It smells insane.
Look at that. Look at those herbs. Oh, colors are not. Heirloom tomatoes, definitely the way to go.
Oh yeah.
I love the fact that there's orange, there's yellow.
Let's grab that plate. Let's get it done.
Oh my goodness.
I mean, this was real time. There were no cuts, no edits.
No cuts. Like you said, this is 5 minutes or less. So you want to go to noodles down on the bottom?
Boom, I like it.
Let's do it. Noodles.
Oh, beautiful.
That we can clean the plate up later
Yeah.
if we have to. Here's a trick too, folks. If you guys might know this already, but you can use the side of your griddle if you want to. You can kind of just scoot it over there and
get some more butter too.
There we go. Oh, and look at that. Look at the butter. Look at the oil.
Boom.
Oh my! You want more in there?
Oh, let's do it all. Just tomatoes.
All right. The tomatoes smell amazing. I think the secret of the tomatoes is definitely want to do them near the end. You don't want to overcook them.
Right.
You don't want them mushy.
Get that sweet burst.
Yes.
Golly,
Look
beautiful.
Here, and I'll let you put scallops on.
Oh yeah. Do one of these too.
And leave it to Nate. See, he's helping us with our plate presentation here.
Just one little.
Yeah.
One little go for
it. A lot of griddlers out there.
Boom.
I'm telling you what, you got to make it pleasing to the eye as well as the palate. And so,
dang. Can you see how gorgeous that is? Holy cow. We have one last little step too, don't we? The Parmesan.
The Parmesan.
Yeah, show the shaving trick.
Oh my. The trick, yes. Are we using a carrot peeler for this?
We are. Hang on. Little height.
See, I like it back over here. Again, now there's something that I wouldn't necessarily think of. See, he's bringing in dimensions.
There we go.
Oh, baby. You want to go like full shavings like this?
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, here, are you ready for this?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Here we go. Parmesan shavings on there. Let's let them fall where they may.
Nice. One of the things I love about great plate presentation, it's like that final little piece of the puzzle. It's just that extra little bit of love. Oh, you have some little ones and some big ones?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Boom. Little guys, just little guys.
What are you thinking? You want a little more? Is that good?
I don't know. It's up to you.
That's probably good.
I've never actually been to Olive Garden. Isn't that thing where they're like, you keep going and going until they say stop? Todd,
yeah.
That's enough, Todd. That's enough, Todd.
I know. When I go to Olive Garden, I'm always saying, like, you can just keep on rolling.
Paper towel for you?
Yes, thank you.
There you go. I need one too. Dang. What do we get into first? The scallops or the noodles?
I don't know, but I feel like someone needs to tell us that we need to try it. Oh.
Like, did you just go for it?
Yeah, just do it.
Let's give it a try. I had to put the Todd on.
That's true. You put the Todd on.
Oh, and here comes the rain.
Here we go. Hey, tell you what.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
There
Dang.
must be something about you cooking seafood with great chefs like Norman and me. Rain coming at the end.
That's true. I forgot about that. Whoa. Whoa. Gotta get in some of these. Dude, we gotta get inside. But before we do,
I'm loving your idea of the Parmesan. I was trying to figure out what we'd finish it with. It's wonderful.
Ethan, can you see that? What a great substitute for noodles. If you do want to go a little healthier, a little lighter.
Zucchini noodles.
A little healthier.
Zucchini.
So much garlic. And it's perfect. It's beautiful. I dig it.
That does taste beautiful. I'm going to go in for another scallop.
We got to get the cameras inside. What did we say? Praise the Lord and pass the scallops.
Yeah, everybody, thanks for watching. Thanks to Nate for showing up. Thanks to CJ and Ethan for being here. It's raining. Until next time, praise the Lord and pass the scallops.